NASA's Voyager 1 and 2 is the spacecraft to enter interstellar space. Voyager 1 is a space probe launched by NASA on 5 September 1977. Voyager 2 is a space probe launched by NASA on 20 August 1977. A part of the Voyager program, Voyager 2 was launched 16 days before its twin, Voyager 1, on a trajectory that took longer to reach gas giants Jupiter and Saturn but enabled further encounters with ice giants Uranus and Neptune. As part of the Voyager program to study the outer solar system and interstellar space beyond the Sun's heliosphere. Launched 16 days after its twin Voyager 2. Voyager 1 has been operating for 44 years, 10 months and 10 days as of 16 July 2022 UTC and still communicates with the Deep Space Network to receive routine commands and to transmit data to Earth. Voyager 2, real-time distance and velocity data is provided by NASA and JPL at a distance of 23.381 billion km from Earth as of 14 July 2022. It is the most distant artificial object from Earth. Voyager 2 remains the only spacecraft to have visited a combination of either of the gas giants and both ice giant planets. Voyager 2 was the fourth of 5 spacecraft to achieve solar escape velocity, which allowed it to leave the solar system. Voyager 1 crossed the heliopause and entered interstellar space on 25 August 2012, making it the first spacecraft to do so. Voyager 1 spacecraft is now in its extended mission of studying interstellar space. It has been operating for 44 years, 10 months and 25 days as of 15 July 2022 UTC as of 9 February 2022. It has reached a distance of 19.433 million km. The question is, how are both spacecraft powered in such darkness? Voyager 2 is equipped with 3 multi-100-watt radioisotope thermoelectric generators. Each RTG includes 24 pressed plutonium oxide spheres, and provided enough heat to generate approximately 157 watts of electrical power at launch. Collectively, the RTGs supplied the spacecraft with 470 watts at launch, halving every 87.7 years. They were predicted to allow operations to continue until at least 2020 and have already done so. Voyager 1 has 3 radioisotope thermoelectric generators, RTGs, mounted on a boom. Each MHW RTG contains 24 pressed plutonium-238 oxide spheres. The RTGs generated about 470 watts of electric power at the time of launch, with the remainder being dissipated as waste heat. 25. The power output of the RTGs declines over time due to the 87.7-year half-life of the fuel and degradation of the thermocouples, but the Craft's RTGs will continue to support some of its operations until 2025. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, and be tuned for the next interesting video.